In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how to allow people send you guest requests on your TikTok live so that they can go live with you as guests. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, go to your TikTok live and press down there on guests. And then guys, press up on settings. Press up on settings. Now guys, after reaching this page, make sure that you scroll down to the bottom. Make sure that you scroll down to the bottom. After scrolling to the bottom, make sure that you turn on friends so that your friends can send you requests on TikTok live. Then turn on followers and other viewers. Make sure they are all turned on so that everyone can send you a guest requests on your TikTok live. So that's how you can allow people send you multi guest requests on your TikTok live. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.